What's up, boys and girls? So, a little bit different tonight. I was bored, just cooking, not doing anything real intricate. Didn't feel like setting up the tripod, you know, all that kind of shit. So, what we're doing tonight is we're just having a beer, and we're just cooking, man. I'm doing some chicken gyro, chicken pita, I guess is probably the better term for it. I made some tzatziki sauce. Fairly simple. If you can find some full fat yogurt, Greek yogurt, it works awesome. If not, the 5% works real good too. Still nice and thick, you know, still rich, stuff like that. Take about a cup of that, about 2 cups of cucumber, just grated on a cheese grater, you know, big hole cheese grater. Put it in a mesh screen, just mash it out. Make sure that you get all that water out, otherwise shit gets all liquidy, nasty, watery, stuff like that. So she already ate. So then you toss in about 2 tablespoons of avocado oil. Olive oil works too. About a tablespoon of lemon juice. About 2-3 cloves of garlic, minced up real nice, and a little bit of salt, and I think that's it. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So mix that up. If you make that the night before, it's even better. If not, at least do it in the morning if you're planning on doing it. So then I had some of the Greek yogurt left over, and this is what I did with it. Check it out. I coated the chicken. I mixed it up with some nice warm spices like cumin, paprika. Look at that. Damn. Yeah, cumin, paprika, little cayenne, little garlic, little oregano, little coriander. You know, right around equal parts of each. Probably had maybe a 1/4 cup of yogurt left over. Tossed in maybe like a tablespoon of avocado oil in there. A little bit of lemon juice in there. Just mix it all up real good. Salt and peppered the chicken, and then just coated the chicken with that yogurt, man. So let that sit on there for a little bit while I got the grill up. I'm running this guy at 500 tonight. We're just grilling some chicken. But that yogurt, you know, it's got its own fat in it. It's got its own, you know, it should be damn good. So honestly, first time I've done it, but it looks like it's pretty damn good, man. So I'm gonna just slice that up, throw it in a nice pita that I'm gonna toss on the grill. Just give them a little something. Some nice thin sliced onion, some tomato, maybe some greens, I don't know, and then hit it with that tzatziki sauce and dig in, man. So it's gonna be pretty good, but check it out. Look what I did today. Hey, you two. Dogs are playing. I added an herb garden to the barbecue kitchen, man. Check it out. So we got some flat Italian parsleys. We got Italian oregano, some Greek oregano, some fern leaf dill, and some English thyme going on, man. All my faves. So I can just clip some off and chop them up right where I cook, man. So I'm excited about that. I'm excited. I went to hit Rule King today. They finally had some pellets in, end of the world and all that, you know. They've been low, man, real low. All the stuff I don't use is the only thing they've had. The competition blends and, you know, all that kind of crap. I'm not a big fan of them. Honestly, I don't like anything with maple wood in it for some reason. I don't know what it is, but it seems like the competition blends really like to put the maple wood in it, you know. Probably because it's cheap and it adds sweetness, you know. If I want sweet, I'll toss a little cherry in with my oak, you know what I mean? But so I finally got to them, stocked up on that, and I don't know, just self-isolating. So, but cheers, boys and girls. I'll make sure I put those recipes down there in case you want to make it, and check them out, you know, if you're a fan of the tzatziki sauce, or I'll let you know how the chicken goes. But I'll definitely pop back after I build it, just to or I'll throw a picture in or something like that of the finished product. So, like I said, it's kind of non-formal today. I'm just doing some cooking. I've been working around out here today, so finally getting in my vitamin D. The sun is back. So I know many don't know we moved to Missouri from Vegas, and I got really used to the sun. I mean, I spend my whole day. I'm outside all day long, and it's goddamn cold and rain, man. It's sucking my soul out. You know what I mean? So, but otherwise, that's all I got. So I'll make sure I toss a picture in there. Like I said, I'll throw them recipes in there, and I don't know. What are you guys all cooking? Anybody grilling? Anybody barbecuing? Try and live vicariously through everybody here, and enjoy everybody's cooks and all that other good stuff. So, all right, cheers. That's all I got.